My name is John. I work here at ZWILLING J.A. Henckels as an IT manager. One of the best product that we had that I use on a daily basis is Fresh and Safe. I buy salmon, halibut, even snapper. Fish is what I like, yes. I do dry rubs. I typically just put them in a bag and throw them in the freezer. Less than 10 minutes to defrost and another 25 minutes to cook it. From there, meal is served. If you want to marinate, basically, I use this because the meat opens up, they expand, and then the liquid goes inside and expedite the process of marinating. Also, I usually use this for leftover foods. It's preserved the foods longer than usual. Every time we have visitors, they will notice that we have ZWILLING products, and I basically introduce them is this Fresh and Safe. Once they start using it, then they said, I love it. It's really a fun product to use and I like it. Wonderful.